Chickens are my best friends. They are very social and funny creatures. When I wake up and come to their coop, they run to me, greet me, hop into my lap, and cuddle me. Because they are very curious, they constantly chase me everywhere. And that does not bother me at all. In fact, I love their delightful company, especially when I stay outside all day working hard. They do help me. They are very good at removing harmful bugs and unwanted weeds. When they have nothing to do, they take a sunbathe and do chattering. At the end of the day, I reward them with their favorite treat, sweet corn. I'm so grateful for their friendship and support. Here's a drawing of my dog and our friend Albert Eckstein. You could get a copy of it at our online shop. Link in bio.